If you're over 50 and you keep hearing the phrase, you just need to start over, and every time you hear it, your stomach tightens, this video is for you. Because let's face it, starting over sounds simple, but it doesn't feel simple, especially when you're going through it, right? It's exhausting, and of course it's risky. And it almost feels like that everything that you've gone through in your life almost doesn't count. So today, what I want to do is show you a quiet income plan that works better than starting over, especially at our age. No hype, no pressure, just clarity. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Kim, 54 years old, mom of 5, and I've been laid off twice in the last 10 years alone. But my real wake-up call came when my husband had a heart attack last year. And that moment forced me to confront something that I've been avoiding for years, and that is our retirement. Because between paying for medical bills, which there were a lot, helping my kids pay for college, normal everyday bills, life just got expensive. And here's the thing, at my age, I don't have time to figure it out anymore. And the cool thing is I'm not trying to reinvent myself. I'm just trying to protect the years that I still have left. I want to, instead of prioritizing my job over my family, I want to choose my family first. And if you're still watching this, you might feel the same way. And the thing is, we've been conditioned to believe that every new chapter requires a brand new identity, right? Like a new job in a new industry, new skills, new energy. But after 50, consistently starting over becomes emotionally expensive, and most people never account for that cost. And the truth is, you don't need to erase your past to move forward. You just need a plan that builds on what you already know. If starting over feels wrong in your body, that's not fear, it's wisdom. So let's talk about why the traditional start over advice doesn't work well for people over 50. Starting over assumes 3 things. Number 1, you have unlimited energy. 2, you can afford mistakes. And number 3, you don't mind beginning at 0 again. But for most people over 50, a lot of us are already handling health priorities, family responsibility, financial pressure, college, emotional fatigue, and of course, retirement. So when someone says to us, just pivot or start another side hustle, what they're really saying is ignore everything that you've already lived. And that's why starting over often leads to paralysis and not progress. Because it's not that you can't do it, but because you don't trust a system that keeps discarding you. So what works better than just starting over? Simply enough, it's a quiet income plan that doesn't shock your nervous system. And it doesn't demand a new personality. It doesn't require you to become someone else online. And it starts with what you already have. Your life experience, clarity, patterns, perspectives, your story. So instead of asking yourself, what should I become? You ask yourself, what do I already understand that could help someone else? And this is why teaching and guiding and explaining and clarifying can become powerful at this age. And this alone can make you an additional income stream, as crazy as it sounds. So here's what a quiet income plan actually looks like. It's definitely not flashy, but it's repeatable and it's simple. And here's a strategy that you can use to make an additional income stream. Step 1, you choose a specific person to speak to. Not everyone, but just one. Step 2 is you speak about one recurring problem the person has, again and again in simple language. Step number 3, you document what you're learning and what works, either publicly or privately. Step number 4, you give people a calm next step, not urgency, just direction. What makes this so powerful is not speed, but it's trust. People don't need you to be the loudest voice, they simply need you to be consistent and clear. And this is what turns effort into momentum. Starting over feels wrong for so many people that are over 50, and that's okay. The problem isn't motivation. The problem isn't intelligence. The problem is using a model designed for reinvention instead of continuing on with your life. Quiet income plan, build forward without burning the past, and that's how stability is created in this season of life. Hopefully this message gave you permission to stop forcing yourself in the wrong path. I just want to offer you something simple. I've created a free blueprint that explains the quiet income framework that I'm using step by step. There's no hype, no pressure, just guidance. And you'll find it in the description below this video. There was one night I was in my family room. My kids were home from college. We were all sitting on the couch watching TV. And I heard my phone buzz. I looked at my phone and I had earned a $900 commission while spending time with my family. This is the definition of quiet income. And if you want to learn how to do this, a simple system, click on the link in the description below. And if you like this video, please give me a subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.